Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we are cooking Ribollita,
AKA Tuscan bread stew.
This is part of our Veganuary meal plan. It's free. You can download that in the description below.
Subscribe to the channel because we've got loads more videos coming your way very soon.
And hit that like button so more people see this amazing vegan food.
And comments. We love comments. Drop us one below.
Now we're going to get into our Ribollita. Now Ribollita actually means reboiled in Italian. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Ribollita. Ribollita. Yeah. And the reason it's called reboiled is because it's an Italian peasant's dish, essentially. They used to make it and it's designed to be reboiled and reheated throughout the week.
It's very much zero waste food.
Zero waste, yeah.
Using up all the stuff that you've had at the end of the week in one stew.
And it's quite in keeping with our Veganuary meal plan where we make one meal and then we have a bit for leftovers the next day.
Now, using ciabatta, stale ciabatta, is a perfect way to use it up. It turns it into dumplings with all that lovely sort of fantastic stewy sauce.
And we're hitting this Ribollita with loads of gorgeous flavours. There's garlic, there's sage, there's thyme. They all balance together perfectly. And of course, it's packed with wintry veg.
That bread is the perfect substitute for a dumpling.
All of those flavours just work together, and you know what, it's really hearty, really warming. That was our Ribollita, part of our Veganuary meal plan.
The PDF for the meal plan, well, that's available to download for free in the description box below.
Just hit that link, and I can't believe we gave it away for free.
Mad.
We're good like that. Anyway, download that and subscribe so you can see the videos that we make to accompany it.
And if you've got any comments, please do tell us in the comment section below.
Of course, hit like so more people can see our banging recipes.
Bish,
Bash, BOSH!